you. I got to pay a plate in 40.
Yeah, you're kind of right there. Hey, Jay, you're kind of right, man. I go to a lot of barbecue contests, you know, doing shit like that. Hey, baby, Jay, ain't nothing better than that. Like I tell my wife, I said, at least I'm outside. I'm not in that kitchen. I don't got a whole lot of mess to clean up. That's a part I don't like there, Jay.
I know what you mean. That's why I ain't like cooking, man. Cause that's why I'm not going to get through, boy. You gotta keep picking big old cut picking sinks full of cut picking dirty dishes on it, kept picking in. And when I used to cook, what I used to do, have me some hot water, doggone it. As fast as I mix them, I put it in that water and wash it, doggone it. So I would have a big old pile when I get through cooking, 4 days. You ain't got to worry about it.
4 days. Hey, you're right, Jay. Yeah, Jay. I married like yesterday. I wrote a big old poke butt down, man. I put some rub on it. I let it sit down until this morning, 4 o'clock. Get the fire going. The only dishes I mess up is the one I had it marinated in with some dry rub and set it on the grill. Is just smoke that. I got 10 of my grill. Just keep that hickory going. And when I get it out and serve it that way I got one dish to clean up, Jay. That way I don't got all them dishes sitting in the kitchen, man. I'm sitting out here. Mama's happy. I'm happy. And Mama's happy. Everybody's happy.
I know what you mean. Because that cookie don't like to go in that white dishes, doggone it. Cook outside, doggone it. All the utensils going to be dirty. The one you marinating in and the one you use, doggone it, to pull it. Got to make it meat off the pit. Oh, dear. You understand?
You got that right, Jay. Yep, that's it. And that's easy. That's easy enough, Jay. Well, when I get the belly full and I'm done eating, then I'll decide when I'm going to clean up that mess. It'll probably be about, 8 or 9 tomorrow morning, right?
Yeah, 14. 14, how you doing on that? Well, you got it all planned and mapped out, doggone it. You know what you want to do and what you like to do, 14. Jack, you don't want to talk.
Hey, you got that right, Jay. Well, you got it, Jay. You got people coming over. Gonna have a little meal. I got the kids coming over. I gotta know when to start it, when it's gonna get done. Whip up a little bit of salad, potato salad or whatnot, whatever she wants to do. Whip that up, make sure that's all done. So, yeah, you got that right, jackhammer. All right, man. I just want to wave, my friend. I heard you talk show this morning. It's good you keep an old popsicle man, minding his P's and Q's there, jackhammer. That kind of entertains me, that break.
He can't be getting out there. He tell my doggone it. They can't make it tell me how bad he is. I just want to see. I just want to test on it bad. That plug to see how bad he is. Yeah, they tell my ice cream. Can't be out there with it. Can't be imitation flavor. Can't be in the Kool-Aid, doggone it. All them kind of picking up yellow foot pops over there. All right, man. I ain't gonna hold you because I know you're probably trying to do something on that ear. I'm back out.
All right, man. All right, Jay. Yeah, I laugh at Jay. I know, man. He always getting up in my business all the down there. I try to run some small station, try to do some talking. All right, Jake. I'm having fun. Appreciate it, jackhammer. I see ya. Have fun, my friend. I'm gonna head back to the barbecue. Jackhammer, I'm waving. Skyscraper gone.